this is my last day in Bali, I've never felt more lost in life. And I wanted to make this video going over it because I just feel like so many people feel like this or go through these phases where they just feel stuck. They can't break through. They've been trying and just shit's not fucking working. And for some odd reason, like, I always visioned it in my head that when I ended up achieving this goal to go to Bali, it would have like completely changed everything. It would have made me better. And I do believe so, but I just don't feel like that. I feel more lost. And honestly, I do have a more optimistic viewpoint. And I do know that this period where I feel absolutely lost, usually what follows right after is a breakthrough. And I want to go over how, I've been dealing with some issues, just personal. Like, the thing is, I know I can do better. That's the fundamental of it all. Like, I know I can do better in everything. From inputs on my business, from inputs on my connection with God, from inputs to my health and physique and fitness, to inputs in my relationships, inputs in myself, inputs into getting rid of distractions and not, for me, one is like lust. A lot of it is lust. I've been getting so distracted with lust this trip, and I haven't really experienced life like this ever. So you can imagine a young man who just, has been making money online, coming to Bali, across the world, independent, no parents, no nothing, just with their friends in a fucking mansion of a villa, free for all, in a third world country where, like, I seem like I'm the odd one out, right? Like, all the Balinesian people are not used to seeing people like me, so they see me with a nice villa. Lust is one of them. And it's been so distracting lately, and it's been really affecting my work and my inputs and my goals. And I see other people my age, even younger, a bit older, whatever it may be, just succeed in e-com, and looking back at myself, just completely struggling to achieve the goals I want to achieve. And it's not a great mindset to have. It's not a good mind space to be in. I do know, obviously, eventually this shit's gonna work out. So obviously I'm not as stressed as I used to be when I was a bit younger, when I first started. My emotions have kind of been, tuned to these situations already, the ups and downs. But I've never desired more than ever now to reach the next level. But where the anxiety or stress comes from is the desire has increased so much, but actions haven't. If anything, actions have decreased. And that big gap is what's causing me to feel this way. And especially now traveling, experiencing, what life could be, the possibilities, how much people are making. And then after comparing it back to myself, and it's just... Guys, we just did the craziest fucking hike of my life, bro. Seb's still struggling. We hiked all the way from there steep hill down. This shit was not easy at all, but look at the fucking reward. The reward is beautiful. Very, very beautiful. Look at that. You know, I've been consuming a lot of content, you know, I guess as some type of, I get in this loophole where when I feel stuck, I have this mindset that I'm missing some type of information. So I start to watch content, and I'm not missing any information. I have it all. That's why I feel comfortable to have a community for me to, you know, give the information that I learned, because I know I have the information to achieve my goals, to achieve 6 figures in a month, 7 figures. I know I do. It's just, I feel like I'm at a barrier that I'm trying to break, and I'm getting tired. I'm trying less because I've been trying to push through this barrier for so long, and it's just not budging, and I'm getting tired and just pushing less. But this is where I gotta push more. And I just don't understand why I don't have it, but I think the biggest issue is just confidence. Knowing this, knowing that I'm capable of doing X amount of numbers, knowing I'm capable of learning and improving and achieving such big goals, just such unwavering confidence that I don't even second doubt myself. It's a bare minimum. It's a duh. Of course I'm gonna do this. Of course this store is gonna work. Of course I'm gonna make X amount, because of course. Why wouldn't I? This, maybe you want to say this stupid imaginary idea, you should call it imaginary. But that's the thing I notice, is that in business you have to be fucking some type of delusional. You have to be some type of, every successful person is some fucking type of delusional. They're weird because they just have to believe it before it actually happens. And you know, I leave tomorrow, and I've just never been so down. I've never had the biggest urge ever to just genuinely lock in. And I said that I would come here to lock in, and honestly, I was mistaken. I am not fit and ready to travel, and I've learned that. I'm not ready. I have problems. And in order for me to start traveling and enjoy traveling is to fix the problems. And what do I need to do to fix the problems? I need to just deal with the problem at hand. I don't need to travel the world. I don't need to escape. I need to focus. I need to be locked in the fucking office and just focus. No lust, no distractions, no temptations, no procrastination, none of it. I need to I will, when I get back home, get in better shape, focus humongously on my diet, my fitness. I will make sure I am very productive in my work. I have humongous confidence in any aspect of my life, whether it's mindset, whether it's fitness, whether it's skills, whether it's any fucking thing. If you're watching this and you kind of feel some type of way, or a similar way, where you're just trying and the breakthrough is just not coming, this is the test. And then under the eyes of God, I see other people doing better than me, but you know what? I know that God himself will leave the 99 who follow to go to the one that went astray. And for some reason I felt like I went astray. I've been lost. not been doing what I should be doing. But I know he's there coming to save me. And I know that 2024 was a humongous year for me. I've achieved so much. I've done so much. I can give a whole list of what I've achieved. And I just thought 2025 would have been even better. But so far it started. We're 3 months in, and honestly, but that does not mean that they're wasted. I do believe that the last 3 months I've gone through situations where I've learned things. Things went differently than expected, but there are still always lessons to be taken, meant for you to go through and learn from, so then when the time comes, it's your time to shine. It's your time to work. And you know what? I just feel like if I can overcome this, and I can fucking bug. I feel like, though, if I can overcome this obstacle, this mental barrier, I'd like to say, I would have the strongest mindset I would ever have my whole life, this whole journey. I just need to overcome this. I need to go home, reevaluate everything, and just go. You know, I've achieved the first level I wanted to achieve. I have. When I first started, when I made $0 online, I've achieved every single goal that I said I wanted to do. But now it's time for me to just reframe myself, reframe my life, reframe my actions and inputs and mindset, because now it's the next level. And I know that soon, as this video is posted, soon things will start to change, and you will see it in real time. You will see it in firsthand, how the situation I'm currently in right now, switching my mindset, switching my actions, switching my discipline, switching my viewpoint and mindset and everything, will then actually correlate to results and better myself within the next, I'm not going to give a timeline, but soon. And you will see it firsthand. Not a lot of people are doing this. Not a lot of people are talking about the downs. People would probably just, I'm in Bali right now with a fucking nice mansion. People would probably just flex the mansion, pretending like they're, you know, all okay. We're human. It's usually never all okay. But if you ever feel like this, what the fuck? If you ever feel like this, just know you're not alone. And just know this is a test. This is the time, the darkness, where usually, and almost always, I'm certain, that light comes right after. You just need to keep pushing. That barrier is budging. That barrier will break. You just can't let go of the pedal. You can't give up. There's no cheesy shit. I don't have a fancy car that I just bought to flex on you to give you this advice. And unfortunately, a lot of people won't listen to me because I don't have that. But it's the same advice as anyone else would give. It will work out. You know that. You deep down know that. You obviously know if you keep pushing every single day, it will eventually fall into place. You know that. So whenever you feel down, whenever you're at a point where you just can't break through, know that this is meant to be, this part of the journey, to understand that God has given you this part just because right after you break through, you will fly. You will be better in every aspect of life possible by a mile. Thank you for watching. And of course, I'll see you at the top.